oops. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Pam Station, and thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So winter is just around the corner. कॉर्नर क्या, साल ख़त्म होने वाला है. सो अब दिसंबर में ठंड नहीं पड़ेगी तो कब पड़ेगी. एंड आई एम श्योर लाइक मी देयर आर सो मैनी women or men's out there, जब सर्दी होती है, ठंडी होती है, तो आपके फुट क्रैक्स होने लगते हैं, बॉडी बहुत ड्राई होने लगता है, खींचा खींचा फील होता है. यू लूज ऑल द मॉइस्चर फ्रॉम योर स्किन एंड यू रियली फील ड्राई. योर स्किन फील्स वेरी dry and itchy in your arms, your hands, your face, your feet, your foot starts cracking. So I have some good products for you, and I literally tried and tested out these products from Just Herbs. Well, recently it's like 2-3 weeks back, Just Herbs just shared me few products, and they just wanted me to try some of their winter care. So I opted out these 4 products. So I really wanted to try some natural products in this winter care, and I was literally looking out for something for my foot. My foot, my feet starts cracking. Like since I was like 10 years old or 11 years old, I noticed that whenever it's like October, November starts, my foot starts cracking, and it's really painful that even I cannot put blanket. If you are in the same situation, प्लीज़ लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. अगर आप भी यही फील करते कि आप चादर भी नहीं ओढ़ सकते, उतना बहुत क्रैक हो जाता है आपका पैर. So I opted out 4 products from Just Herbs. Just Herbs, if you don't know, I will share the link in my description box. It's it's a brand where they use no preservatives, no chemical, all natural products, no parabens, and these are Indian. This is made in Indian first of all. So I really love some of the products. I have already tested so many products in my morning skincare routine and my night skincare routine. Some of the products have literally finished. If you are still following me on my Instagram, my ID is Just Chill with Pam, so you will know that some of the products I do share on my stories when I use it, the face pack or morning serum, and some which other products which are already over, I also share that on my stories. So don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. So if you haven't watched my morning skincare routine, you can click the iCard above, or if you also want to watch my night skincare routine, I will also share on my iCard above, or don't worry, I will share all the links in my description box. So in today's video, I have chosen 4 products especially for winter care. During winter, we look out for a good body lotion. So I have a body lotion from Just Herbs, and we also look for a good body butter where our whole body feels dry and we want something for our body as well. So I have a body butter. We look out for lip cream or lip balm. So I have a lip balm. And for my foot, that is the worst during the winters. So let's check out one by one. So first thing, I have your body lotion. It's almost till year now. I have used so much. Like body lotion में ज़्यादा दिनों की ज़रूरत नहीं होती. So I used this almost. I received this for 2 weeks back. So I used all these products since 2 weeks. Now this is Just Herbs Cascade, that is moisturizing day care lotion, which is infused with aloe vera and wheat germ, and this is white in color, off white. So I really love the texture, and this is quite thick, but as soon as you apply, it becomes very very mild and it absorbs really quickly. I really love the fragrance. It has very mild floral fragrance, not very strong. It's very nice. It's very mild on skin. It absorbs really quickly. This fragrance lasts for max to max 3 to 4 hours, and then you can just reapply it. It's not like very long lasting, but I really love it. That's because first of all, it's natural. It does not have any kind of preservatives, and these are made of so many natural ingredients. Like some of the ingredients even I've heard those first time. Plus if you check on the Just Herbs website, you will get in detail the ingredient list as well as in percentage, like कितना percentage वो लोग ने कौन सा product डाला है वो भी आपको पता चलेगा. Okay, so some of the ingredients list which I will let you know is aloe vera, and that is leaf juice 5% oil, fresh wheat it's mentioned the details of the ingredients along with the percentage, so that's amazing. This body lotion comes in two packages, two sizes, that is 100 ml and this is and 200 ml. So 100 ml comes in 645 rupees and 200 comes in 1145 rupees. I have a coupon code PAM15. You'll get 15% off on the entire order if you shop more than 1000 rupees. So I think this is valid till December. So if in case you're shopping anything from Just Herbs, you can check that using the coupon code. So I don't get any commission using this coupon code. It will save some money using that code. The next I have is Just Herbs. This is body butter. Okay, that is Kerala coconut and wheat germ body butter for all skin types. So it comes in this kind of packaging. It's quite huge. The tub is quite huge. This comes in only one size, 200 grams. That is for 1095 rupees. Okay, so the smell of this is pure. You will feel like you're literally applying coconut cream. So because obviously there are Kerala coconut and wheat germ. Yeah, the texture is kind of wheat paste, but it doesn't smell like as if you're applying wheat. It's, some of the product they literally have like sandalwood infused in it, which I really love. So this is a wheat body butter which has a mild fragrance of sandalwood plus coconut also, which is obviously coconut is there, so ज़्यादा coconut ही खुशबू आएगी. This is quite thick, so if in case you're super dry skin, you definitely give this a try to apply on your body, and it absorbs really quickly. It's quite thick, but it absorbs quickly. It hydrates and moisturizes your skin. Butcher them by pronouncing it wrong. So that's the body butter, and that is just for 1095 rupees for 200 grams. This is the plastic, thick plastic, and this is tin dhakkan. So that's the body butter. Third product is my favorite. That is Just Herbs Peri Soft Calendula and Peppermint Crack Cure Foot Cream. Why I'm saying my favorite, as I told you, since I'm 10 or 11 years old, I literally feel that crack, my foot cracks, and it's really so painful that even I cannot put my blankets on. So this product, this foot cream, when I received it, I was really excited to try, because there are very few foot care cream products in the market. So when I tried this, actually I didn't even read what are the ingredients. That night I just washed my feet and I applied this, and just after 1 or 2 minutes I was feeling very cooling sensation on my foot. I was like, wow, what's going on? I was like feeling so relaxed. I didn't put over the blanket, I just kept my foot open like this. फैन के नीचे बैठ के टीवी नेटफ्लिक्स देख रही थी, और आई वॉज एडिटिंग सम वीडियो. आई वॉज फीलिंग सो रिलैक्स्ड, एंड देन माई फुट गॉट ड्राई. द क्रीम इज स्टिल देयर and it goes inside your cracks and you feel that cooling sensation. I used back to back 3 nights and you won't believe in 3 nights you will feel the result. Like मैंने ये नहीं कहूँगी कि 3 दिन में मेरा जो cracks है वो heal हो गया. No, but it definitely stuck. I am not comfortable sharing my cracked foot, but if you will trust me that my cracks have closed, like at least वो चिपक गया है. So every next day I wash. You need to scrub your pumic stone or something like that. You need to use the stone scrub, clear all the dry and dead skin out, और कल रात का जो क्रीम है उसको लगा के घस के remove it out. You can dip your feet in the warm water. After that, apply the next day. You will see the result in 3 days. So I am super happy, and I will definitely recommend this to all my friends and my relatives. I will also recommend you all to give this a try. This is really good product, Peri Soft, and you will feel the cooling sensation. That's because there is peppermint in this. When I was feeling cooling sensation, then I noticed, I was just checking what are the ingredients. Mint to zarur hoga. So yes, there is mint in this. Obviously check that in their website along with the percentage, how much is there. Yeah, this is 50 grams product and you will get it for 745 rupees. So कुछ लो ना लो मगर ये ज़रूर लेना. So that is Pedi Soft. Okay, the last but not the least is the lip balm. I have here is Just Herbs Licorice Shea Lip Balm Butter. So that's the butter. It comes in cute tub, chotu sa tub. There is no color in it, but this is plain no color. So this is actually made for smokers, like there are guys or girls who smoke, so it's good for their lips, their lips turn black, so it definitely hydrates such lips. So stays for max to max 3 to 4 hours. It's quite thick and it really moisturizes and hydrates your lips throughout that 3 to 4 hours. 8-gram product and you'll get it for 395 rupees. So this much product, 8-gram product goes, you can use it, I'm sure, throughout the month. I don't know whether coffee is there or no, because it does have mild coffee fragrance in this, because मुझे तो coffee जैसी खुशबू आती है इस lip balm में. So yeah, give this a try. And this has no color, only that thing I didn't like it. Maybe they have other balms, but I chose this one. So if in case you're like any of these products, you can definitely give this a try. I have shared all the links in my description box below along with the coupon code. So if in case you're shopping and if your order is more than 1000 bucks, you will definitely get 15% off if you use PAM15. So do let me know in the comment section आप लोगों ने इसमें से कौन सा product try किया है. If you have your own opinion using these products, please let me know in the comment section. And if you're watching me for the very first time, please subscribe my channel if you haven't already. Share my videos on WhatsApp, Facebook and Twitter. Please share my videos on your WhatsApp status for one day. Any video on our WhatsApp status for one day, it will definitely mean a lot. And if you are watching this video till the end, thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed, stay happy. Bye bye.